Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn biological classification together, step by step. In this chapter, we study how all life is sorted into kingdoms, from tiny bacteria to plants and animals, and we look at the unusual viruses and lichens. Robert Whitaker proposed 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. He used cell structure, body organization, and nutrition as criteria. Kingdom Monera contains bacteria, the most abundant organisms. They are prokaryotic, lacking a true nucleus, and may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Protista includes single-celled eukaryotes like protozoans and algae. Fungi are eukaryotic, mostly multicellular decomposers that absorb nutrients, many forming thread-like hyphae. Viruses are not placed in any kingdom. They are non-cellular, made of protein and nucleic acid, active only inside a host. Lichens are partnerships of an alga and a fungus. Plantae are multicellular autotrophs with cell walls and chlorophyll. Animalia are multicellular heterotrophs without cell walls that ingest their food. To recap, Whitaker's 5 kingdoms classify life by cell structure and nutrition, ranging from prokaryotic Monera to Animalia, while viruses and lichens stand apart. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.